And I'm Lauren McCoy. An Uber driver who was also an NOPD employee is murdered outside a Jefferson Parish hotel after she picked up a passenger in New Orleans.
As Natasha Robin reports, deputies say the suspect told investigators his motive was simple. He just wanted to kill someone.
Truly an extremely lovely person.
54-year-old Yolanda Dillian, an Uber driver and NOPD employee, murdered outside the Travel Lodge Hotel on the West Bank Expressway in Harvey. Deputies arrested this man, 29-year-old Brandon Jacobs, for what investigators call a random, brutal act of violence.
His confession basically was stated that he woke up yesterday morning and decided he was going to kill someone, and decided that was going to be the day.
Sheriff Joe Lapinto says Dillian, working for Uber, picked up Jacobs in New Orleans and gave him a ride here to the hotel where he was staying. Moments after arriving, Lapinto says Jacobs brutally stabbed Dillian in the parking lot.
He was in the back seat, stabbed from behind, exited the vehicle, and then just walked away casually.
Dillian died at the hospital. Only a couple of hours later, investigators took Jacobs into custody, and during an interview with him, Lapinto says they got a full confession.
Now, when we asked him specifically, how did you pick her, his response was, I didn't pick her, Uber picked her. Meaning that she was the random person that picked him up that day.
Deputies say they also learned that Jacobs posted gruesome video of what he said he did on Facebook.
Very, very unfortunate situation to the point of he actually videotaped the incident, or the aftermath of the incident, posted on social media.
The video is now removed. Dillian, an Uber driver, was also a 10-year civilian employee of the NOPD.
She's very quiet. She's very humble. Like a quiet giant, a little giant, I would say, because she was big in stature and what she did and what she meant to this department. And it tore our employees up this morning.
Chief Sean Ferguson says Dillian worked as a fiscal budget analyst and was loved by so many.
But she was caring for her mother. Her mother is sick as well. So she had been the caretaker of her mother for the last several years. Truly an extremely lovely person.
Tonight, her family tries to cope with the senseless murder of a woman who investigators say was only doing her job.
This is